Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer, and VS Code with the Python extension. Create and activate a virtual environment inside your project folder so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, open the folder in VS Code, select the right Python interpreter from the status bar, and install any packages. Make sure Tkinter is available on your OS. Many Python builds include it. This gets you ready to write GUI code confidently and moves directly into creating the first Py file. You now script a minimal GUI. Import Tkinter as tk, create root equals tk. Tk, add a label and button and call root. Main loop, use pack for quick layout or grid for control. Once widgets exist, run Python main. Py in the integrated terminal to see the window. If you prefer step-through debugging, set a breakpoint and use VS Code's run and debug, selecting the Python current file configuration. Make sure the virtualenv interpreter remains selected so installed packages resolve correctly. You finish by organizing your code. Encapsulate the GUI in classes and separate logic from presentation so maintenance is simpler. For distribution, test with pinstaller to build an executable, making sure to include any resource files. Once packaged, validate on the target system. If things go wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Confirm the selected interpreter in VS Code, verify Tkinter is installed and attached to that interpreter, and check environment path variables. These steps fix most runtime and import errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.